Hi, it's Alison from Ali Crafts Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple flower. First of all, you need to put a slip knot onto your hook. And we're going to work 2 chain and 6 double crochets into the second chain from your hook. So that's your first chain there, and this is our second. So into that space we're going to work the 6 double crochets. And to finish the round we need to work a slip stitch. So it's pick up the first double crochets, the 2 threads at the beginning of the first double crochet, yarn over and pull it through both of the loops on your hook. Give it a little tug so that we lose it, and we're on and ready for round 2. We're starting with 1 chain, 1 double crochet into the same place. Now that's where the slip stitch was worked, so that's going into that stitch there. And into the same stitch again we're working 3 trebles, so that's wrap round and in. And a double crochet, same space again. So that gives us our first petal. We're going to work the same in each of the 6 stitches all the way around. So it's a double crochet, 3 trebles, and a double crochet. Move on to the next stitch. And now we're at our last double crochet. So again, we're working the double crochet, 3 trebles, double crochet, and it's a slip stitch to end into the first double crochet. That's the stitch here, and we need to pick up both threads, wrap round, pull through that, pull through the last loop, give it a little tug, cut the end, pull your loop through, and there we have our completed flower.